Welcome to the FlowZone Instructional series. Today we're troubleshooting an unresponsive FlowZone sprayer, meaning the pump makes noise but doesn't dispense liquid. Feel free to pause now and review the steps before we begin. First, remove the white circular mesh screen at the base of the inlet filter. Just rotate the inlet filter so the screen is facing upward and wiggle the mesh screen off the rubber elbow. If your mesh screen is dirty, now's a great time to clean it to prevent clogging due to debris buildup. Simply run it under water and wipe it with a clean cloth. Next, install the battery and turn the sprayer to the highest setting. Grab a garden hose or something similar and position it over the inlet tube opening. Switch on the garden hose and direct a strong stream of water into the rubber inlet elbow. Quickly engage and release the trigger repeatedly until liquid starts to flow. Finally, reinstall the circular mesh screen onto the inlet tube and rotate the inlet filter until it's flush with the bottom of the tank. Your Series 3 unit should now be primed and ready to spray. Thanks for watching. If you are still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.